What's going on, my fellow card crackheads? Here's my second box of 2018 Leaf Flash. Oop, I just dropped the first one right over here to the left of me. First box was excellent. Absolutely excellent. If you haven't watched that video, go back and watch it. Check it out. It only takes a few minutes. There's only 6 cards. They're all autographs. I do kind of take my time opening this because, well, obviously I love opening boxes and I don't want it to go too fast. But either way, it's still a quick break. Hopefully this box is as good as the first one. 6 autos, all prospects. As I said in the first video, the checklist on this product is strong. It's really strong. Let me get these out without looking at them. Stare at the ceiling, stare at the ceiling. Don't peek, don't peek, don't peek. Okay, did it. Yeah, Ohtani, Soto, Acuna, Albies, I think they're all in here, so lots of potential. Alright, number 1, Owen White. That's just the base autograph, not numbered. That's number 1, Owen White. Number 2, Andrew, how do I pronounce this? Is the N silent? Kasner? I'm gonna go with that. See if yep, numbered out of 50. I've heard of this kid. I don't think I've heard of Owen White. I think I have heard of him. Although I can't remember how his name's pronounced. Number 3, Joe Gray. So it's like a numbered version. Yep, 7 out of 50. Don't think I've heard of Joe Gray. Joe Gray. So many prospect names. Ugh. Alright, so far we're not doing as well as box 1. Let's see if this helps. Oh, Alec Baum. He's in Bowman's Best, so that might be good. Flash of Brilliance. Definitely a good looking card. Got a little bit better there. Number 4. Is that where we're at? 4? Yeah. Wait. Hang on. No, I think we're on 5. Yep, we're on 5. Dang. Gosh, this goes by quick. Junior Severino? Or is it... it's the Y, J. Junior Severino. 4 out of 10. I have not heard of this player. Yeah, this box has definitely not been as strong as the first one. Unless this last hit really comes through strong, then box number 1 wins this battle. Oh, not bad. Casey Mize. It's a good looking card. I love the lightning flash of brilliance. And it's numbered out of 50, so that helps too. Pretty good ending. But overall, the other box, watch that video, it's better than this one. Casey Mize is great, of course. I mean, it's a great hit. But the rest of these, other than this, are not quite as strong as box 1. Oh, well. Good enough. I definitely love the look of this, though, so... I'm not going to cry about it. Not too bad. Alright, that was one box of 2018 Leaf Flash Baseball. Thanks for watching, everybody. Please like and subscribe. Comment below. If you haven't subscribed, do it now. I'm going to do another giveaway soon. I keep saying that in all my videos to make sure everybody is aware and is involved if they want to be in the drawing. I'll announce the prizes soon. Alright, that's it. Thanks for watching. Everybody take care. I'll be back soon.